Meet Bytey. He just started learning JavaScript, and he's already confused by curly braces. Before diving deeper into coding, Bytey needs to understand the core of JavaScript. Data types. A number is any numeric value, like 7, 3.14, or -42. A string is any text, always inside quotes, like hello world. Booleans are just true or false, perfect for decisions. Undefined means the variable exists but has no value yet. Null is empty on purpose. It's literally nothing. Objects store key value pairs, like a mini database. Arrays are ordered lists, great for storing related data. Now Bytey knows the basics, and so do you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bytey adventures.